Fashion, darling. Pouch case thingy bob. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I know it's been a while, it's been a hot minute. I kind of fell off after lockdown kind of eased off in the UK because I got busy, which is good, which is a good thing. I got busy doing what I love and my YouTube kind of went but yeah, we're trying to make a comeback now, and thank you guys for sticking with me. This channel is gonna resurrect, you know. Yeah, it's gonna resurrect. Yes, I'm really excited about this video today because it's an unboxing video, as you can tell by the title. So I was contacted by an amazing company called Lensmart. They sent me some glasses. So this is not a sponsored video, just to put it out there. I was actually gifted these glasses. I'll just give you a little backstory about me actually. When I was younger, I just wanted glasses so badly. I want glasses badly and also braces, and I never needed any of them, but now I kind of need reading glasses. So when this company contacted me, I was like, well, I don't wear prescriptive glasses, but they were like, yeah, we do reading glasses, so we can send you some of those. Can you just review them, let us know how you feel about them? So that's what I'm doing today, and I'm sharing it with you guys. And these glasses, the first pairs that they sent me were actually the bomb. They were really anyways, let me not talk. Let me just open this new pair that they've sent me, or I don't know how many is in there, but it came in this DHL packaging, very secure, and I can feel that it's been properly packaged, which is really cool. So let's go into it. And I'm not very good at opening packages, guys, like seriously. I just, yeah, it could be like the most simplest thing, and then I'll just like, oh, okay, actually not too bad today. So let's see. Taking the outer packaging out, and it comes in this little kind of bubble wrappy, not really bubble wrap, but kind of very secure, very neat packaging. So for me, presentation is everything, you know. I've really done that well. So let's open it up and see, show you guys 3 mini boxes in there. So yes, I'll be trying on these 3 different glasses and letting y'all know what it's saying, really, because for me, I have to be real and authentic with anything that I'm reviewing. If something's not good, I'm not gonna be like, yeah guys, come get it, it's good, you know. But from my first experience with this company, their stuff, and I get a bit skeptical because they contacted me on Instagram, and I get a bit skeptical because some people contact you and they're not legit. But this company, they were really nice. They sent me an email, very professional. So I was like, yeah, they're legit. And I also done my research. Look at this. I am liking, don't know if you guys can see that. It's not focusing. Is it focusing? Yes. So okay, let's get back to me now. Yeah, so that's the packaging it's come in. This is the first one. On the side it says see the possibilities. I love that. I love things that really pay attention to little details like that, because for me that's just sold me, and I'm a person, I love quotes. Yeah, I love stuff like that. See the possibility. Let's open this up. Let's see what's saying. Gosh, I'm not very good at this, am I? It's got a little thing that I could pull. Why didn't I just do that? Ooh, look at that. A little grey, kind of velvety, leathery. I don't think it's real leather, but got just the detail on that case. That is nice. Okay, the first time I received any kind of gifted glasses from them, it didn't come in something like this. It was nicely packaged, but this is like they've gone up a level. Okay, I see you. We provide the best of the best. Just something to read to get to know the company a little bit better. You probably can't see that, that's okay, but this is really nice. Let's open it up and see. Glasses. The glasses are protected, another protection, and a little clear bag. Really nice. I think I'm gonna like these, and actually I feel like it's gonna match my outfit. I can already see the colors in the little pouch case thingy bob. Pouch case thingy bob, just ignore me. It's got a little cloth to wipe your glasses down if it ever gets dirty. Really nice material, and it's got their branding on it as well. Just the details for me, it's just the details for me, you know. Yeah, so let's check out the first glasses. Also again protected in another plastic thingy bob, thingy-majig. I'm taking it the opposite. So this is the glasses. Sorry, there's gonna be a glare, I think, because it's just, yeah. And even everything's just protected, and it's just really nice, and I'm loving it. Let's go ahead and try this one on. Okay. I mean, I'm quite a flamboyant person, and I just love things that make a statement. And for me, already just putting this on, and the fact that it's giving me colors, it's giving me that tinted kind of like yellowy lens. I love it, guys. I really like this one, and I like that it's just got the frame at the bottom here and the detail. If you can see that closely, it's got color. Oh wow, they literally, this glass is literally my personality, screams my personality. I wear a lot of colors because that's just me, and you know, I like to, especially because I live in a cold country, like when I'm wearing colors, it just makes me feel bright. It makes me feel like it's hot, even though it's really not. And guys, I will put my code below because you can actually get 15% off. I will share that in the link below, how you can do that. But these glasses, I absolutely love these, and I feel like they sew me as well. Let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, let's move to the next one. On to the next one. Same similar packaging, the same, see the possibility. I love that detail. Wearing glasses, you know, for some people, I know how like annoying it can be, like getting glasses that they like or that's doing the job it should be doing. Just the experience I'm already having with just this company and the way they just paying attention to little details. I am loving it. And yeah, I love that they've put, you know, about the glasses. They've got a little pamphlet here, basically, if you need help. Ooh, and in here there's a 20% discount code. That's really nice. They put details on how to adjust your glasses. There's just so much in there, and I think that's really good. Cleaning your specs is easy. They tell you how to do that as well. Maintenance of your glasses, really nice. I feel like they really care about their customers. That's how you get business to come back to you. Again, you've got your little glasses white. But yeah, let's check out these glasses. Again, comes very secure. Like, these glasses are so nice. I already love this because of the shape of it. And okay, nice. This is giving me like a Devil Wears Prada, Kent Clark vibe. Like if I would just want to, you know, disguise myself, I feel like I can do that. I'm joking. I've got too much jokes, but yeah, I really like this. It's giving me that kind of cat eye, big lens kind of vibe. I love it. Let me know what you think. Do you think this suits me? They're really stylish, affordable glasses, and I think that's what I love about them. The previous one was very funky, and this is kind of like, I can wear this on every day. Maybe that other one more kind of like on an occasion when I want to be more louder than usual. I like the detail, how it goes light here, really nice. I feel like it frames my face well. Yeah, nice, affordable, good quality, really sturdy, good quality glasses. I can't fault them. If you're looking for prescription glasses, I would definitely recommend Lensmart. Like, and it's really good prices as well. And you're getting fashion, darling. Yes. I really like these. Ooh, yes. We're gonna give this a 10 out of 10. 10 across the board. So we're on to the third pair of glasses. Like, I wanted blue light glasses for a long time because I feel like I spend so much time staring at my computer screen. It just helps to get better sleep as well, and also to just stop any headaches. You know, sometimes you be getting a headache, you're like, oh, why am I getting a headache? Blue light glasses, reading glasses, way to go. Again, I'm not gonna go into too much detail now because you already know how these guys roll. They got the details in there, they've packaged it really nice and secure. I just love this case. I'm coming to the end of the glasses reveal, the unboxing. Oh, okay, this is a different kind of vibe. Similar shape to previous two, but it's giving me a different detail. I don't know if you can see here, like a little gold, and then the rest of the frame continues. But I'm loving this kind of cat eye big lens vibes, and it's almost kind of like a yellowy tint to the lens as well, or maybe it's just my lighting, I don't know, but I am loving it. They've killed it with these looks. I mean, stylish glasses that still make you look cute, sexy, you know what I mean. I don't need to say it, but yeah, I am really loving this one. I've loved all three actually. Like two of them I think is something that I can wear every day, and one of them is something that I could just bring out when I want to be like, oh boom shakalaka, you know. I feel like this is a lot smaller. It's giving me a different kind of detail and color as well. But yeah guys, that is the 3 glasses I was sent by Lensmart. I'm gonna link below the glasses that I reviewed in this. Love all 3, and I just think that if you're looking for prescription glasses, they're the way to go. Seriously, when a company's got this much attention to detail and spirit of excellence, this is who I'll shop with, because I just know that you care about my eyes. You're not just giving me anything that's just going to, you know. But yeah guys, that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for joining me. Sorry that I've been away for a while, but I'm coming back like I never left. Coming back with a new vibe, different vibes. I'm going to be updating you as I go along. I feel like with my channel I'm still kind of finding it anyways, finding what it's about, but right now it's just me navigating life creatively, whether that's me doing this unboxing video and being as creative as I can and showing you these different looks, or coming at you with something completely different. But there will always be a creative backdrop in everything that I do. So guys, thank you again for joining me, and I will put a link below to these glasses and also my discount code, because you can get a discount. But yeah guys, thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video.